Bonjour les amis, hello guys, if you are new on my channel, of course don't forget to subscribe and to help me grow. Okay, today I am in Cali, of course. Look at the view here, very nice. Here is like the biggest park, okay, of Cali here. It's very nice. Okay, so I'm just here. And bonjour les amis, si c'est la première fois sur ma chaîne, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, mis amigos. Si es la primera vez en mi canal, por favor, no olvide de suscribir para apoyarme, por favor. Okay. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm here. I'm walking down the street in Cali, Colombia. I do recommend Cali. It's very nice city. It's very nice city. So one more time, just come and make your experience. Here you have many foreigners come to Cali. Yesterday I met like French people, like many French people. Yes, French people are like everywhere, but let's say you have like German, you have like people from Switzerland, from all around the world, guys. So don't hesitate to, you know, don't hesitate to come in Cali. Okay, very nice. Okay, so I'm here like today. I'm going to Santa Rita. Okay, so this is the street of Cali, guys. Cali. Very nice. So I'm just walking here. Here is like the park. Very nice. This is my very first time in Cali, but not in Colombia, of course. Okay. So guys, please don't forget to share my content, to subscribe. Amigos, por favor, compartir mi canal. Es muy importante dar like. Es muy importante, mis amigos, para crecer este canal. Estoy en mi país favorito, que es Colombia. Y iré en muchos lugares.
It's similar to tomato, but it is more sweet of tomato.
Oh, really?
But it's similar. You can
Yes?
taste. Yes.
Sure. You got that one.
Yes, ella lo probó ayer. Tú lo probaste ayer, ¿cierto? You taste yesterday.
Ajá. Y gordo, más, ¿cómo se llama esa planta?
Oh
You
no.
take-
I
because you
forgot. Yeah.
sorry,
But that's okay.
sorry.
That's okay. I forgot. Yeah, that's me. I was like, can I? That's the reason why I was hesitating, but I did not know what was happening. Yeah, it's because but that's okay.
Okay.
That's
Sorry,
okay. Because I
sorry.
did not.
But
But
did you like it? Or not?
no, it seemed like very acid. Like
Yeah, because it's not so maduro. Le faltaba un poco.
Okay.
Va a llover.
Sí, vamos.
¿Sabes por qué lo sé?
Te cayeron gotitas.
So guys,
Mira la hoja roja tan bonita.
Esa la que es como un...
very nice.
Esa la que es como una...
Corazón roto. Luego forma el corazón, pero roto. Corazón roto.
¿Hablas de esa gigante? Ay, tan hermosa. Sería un buen lugar para los mis mejores.
See, I cannot eat until 6.
O contacto.
¿Cómo?
Cuéntame algo que pasó chistoso con una de las dos mascotas.
Ay, todavía en estos días yo estaba dormido, Bonnie. Y él por escapar de... Uy, no sé, no lo recojo. No.
So guys, I'm just walking in Cali, showing you the street of Cali, Colombia. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice.
¡Boom!
Good.
Me saltó así.
Un día, hace un año, yo estaba dormida en la
So guys, I'm here with let's say new friend. So here in Cali, and he's like, I'm not gonna give his name, no, for privacy reason, but he's very nice. He's from Cali, and I'm walking here with him and his daughter. Guys. Yeah, so this is Cali, guys. This is the city of Cali. Nice.
Sí. Vámonos.
tienes de bachiller. Tienes de entregar
Okay, espérate un segundo. This plant, the name is Cadmia. Cadmia, and the
Venga, ua.
grandmothers take the flowers and put in alcohol to make a perfume with these flowers.
Really?
But it don't
And what's the
have-
name?
It don't have flowers in this moment.
And what's the name again of the
Cadmia,
Camia?
and this is Hehem.
Him.
Hehem.
What?
The name of this insect is Hehem,
Him.
and he don't take the blood with how do you say jeringa?
Jeringa? What is jeringa?
Or jeringa is aguja?
Oh, yes.
Without aguja, no. He really ¿cómo dice morder?
Like to bite?
Yes.
But
This kind of insect bite your
But what-
skin.
yeah, what kind of? But what's the name of the
Jejem.
him?
De jejem, el jejem te muerde. No te pica, no te chuza
Really?
como el zancudo, sino que te muerde.
Oh wow.
Por eso,
Yes.
feel.
Yeah, but
hard.
here it was like a hood. I was like touched by, something like that. So yeah, but nothing.
We are so sweet to flies. To
Yeah, the fly I don't like.
Love us.
Gordo, ¿qué son vivíparos?
Vivíparos, no sé, amor, creo que this is cocoa,
Cocoa.
cacao,
Okay.
cacao. The plant from
Yeah.
chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. Really? Wow.
No entendió nada.
Sí.
This is avocado.
Avocado, okay. Avocado.
Avocado, okay.
Yeah, like Spanish has sometimes, also many similarities with English, so many words.
Venga, uva. Venga. Quieta.
I
Quieta.
guess.
Venga. Coge. Espérate. Venga.
Santa Rita.
Eso. And the neighborhood is the name is Santa Teresita. This
Santa
is the
Felicita.
neighborhood. The name is Santa Teresita.
Santa Felicita. So guys, we are in Santa Teresita. And you know, Santa Teresita. Okay, so Santa Rita is not that far. It's really not that far, you know?
What?
The Santa Rita is not that far.
What is far?
It's not far. Us, like, of course, we are walking to there.
Ah, yeah, near. It's near.
Yeah, it's very near. Okay.
Yes, it's near. It's the next neighbor.
Okay.
This is Santa Teresita and the next is Santa Rita.
Okay.
Mira este aguacate colgando. Look this avocado. It have avocados.
Oh, like this one?
Yes.
Yeah, this neighborhood is very nice. I mean, like, is rich people live here or what?
Yeah, it's rich people.
Yeah. I think, yeah. So I guess it's very safe, right? Because most of the time, let's say that rich people love to live, you know, in some.
But the neighborhood
In
next day.
very nice. You see the wall? You know, it's very high.
Yeah.
Yeah, to secure.
For example, this house is abandoned. You say
Yeah, abandoned.
abandoned.
Yeah.
It's more common the abandoned houses from the narco traffic
Yeah.
because the government, hey, give me this house. This house if you got with bad money and you have to pay to me these houses, okay? But the government don't sell fast because to the workers from the government like this kind of houses too. So now it's a kind of mafia. Dime, amor.
¿Crees que esta es la dirección al río?
Crazy. Very nice
¿Ves?
neighborhood.
Tienes que picarte porque no te caminas.
Okay.
Estás todo perdido.
Un poquito.
Ya no tenemos salida.
I think that I am lost.
You see it?
We are lost. But always.
You are lost? Yeah, here no. No salida. Right?
No, es por abajo.
¿Ves?
Sí, tú sabías.
Yeah.
No hay salida.
It's like in English we say dead end.
Por ese edificio cerrado.
Dead end.
¿Cómo lo supiste, Bonnie?
Pues
Cul de sac.
ahí veo que todo está tapado, ¿no?
Wow.
C'est un cul de sac. In French. C'est un cul de sac. Pas d'issue.
This house have a lot of bonsais.
Yeah, it's very calm neighborhood. Like full of cameras. You know?
Casi no tiene maduro.
You can tell that rich people live here, guys. You can guess. Crazy. Cali del Cauca. Colombia, guys. Very nice. Woo! Very clean. Muy limpio. Acá. Guys, c'est vraiment propre. Yeah.
Se parecen al árbol de la vida de la guardia del limón.
C'est vraiment
¿El
propre.
árbol de la vida?
No lo sé.
C'est vraiment propre. Bendice esta casa.
El árbol de la vida. El árbol de la vida.
Look, it's very funny. Like, I love this house.
Pero el jarmatán es una de las partes
Very nice.
de la dirección para pegar al árbol de la vida.
So, guys, Colombia, guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Is almond.
What's the name?
Almond.
Ah, okay, almond. Yeah. No.
Gordo, esa
Míralas, Bonnie, tú estabas preguntando que las almendras rojas, entonces uno les daba piedra hasta que llegaba al coquito. Y mira, adentro, pero ya no tiene, mira, ahí tiene un pedacito.
Cali,
Pero era muy rico.
Valle del
Era una
Cauca.
almendra.
Porque hay un camino de agua.
Cali, guys, it's so crazy. I love the vibes of the city. Yeah, I love the vibes. Like, yeah, it's nice. It's a very nice place to know. Cali, Colombia, Valle del Cauca, mis amigos. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. You know,
¿Qué? ¿Y naranja?
Valle del Cauca. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. No, of course, don't forget to subscribe, to share my content. It's very important because we need like many more subscribers in the coming years. Okay, we need like many more like subscribers in the coming years, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment. Okay, it's very, very, very important, guys. Mi amigo, por favor. Yeah. No olvides de suscribir a mi canal, compartir al máximo con tus amigos, con la familia, con quien sea, no sé. Pero compartir es muy importante, dar like es muy importante. Y necesitamos muchos más suscriptores en el futuro, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, to share. Les amis, n'oubliez pas de partager un maximum mon contenu et de vous abonner, ok? C'est très important. Vous ne pouvez pas regarder mon contenu et puis ne pas au moins liker, ne pas partager, etc. C'est super important. So guys, see you on my next video. From Cali, Colombia, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Like the streets are, woo, very nice. Very clean, guys. Cali, yeah, I love Cali. I don't know if it's my favorite city in Colombia. I don't know, but it's nice, very nice. So subscribe, guys, subscribe. Come on, come on, come on. And now, you know, the weather is perfect because it's not hot, you know. I'm not sweating. You know, it's not hot now. So the weather is very, you know, good. Let's say like that, okay? So guys, ciao. Okay. Bye, amigos. Voilà, les amis. Cali, Colombia, Bogota. Subscribe.